Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. So today we are going to learn how to debug a Node.js application with the help of the debug. And here you can see the number of downloads they have pretty much good. Okay, so how they are using a tiny JavaScript debugging utility modeled after Node.js code debugging technique works in Node.js and the web browsers, right? So this is, you can see that the number of downloads is pretty much good. So let's install this and use it. Before those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here you can see, let me show you like how to run. So debug node index.js you have to put to run that one. We have server.js, so make sure of that server.js, enter, and here you can see that app is running on 4000. Okay, so these are all the routers that they have defined. Okay, if I just go to the browser, let's go to the browser and hit, let me just do this one stuff. Okay, and here we have the port number this, so we will add localhost 3000, no it's 4000. You can see here what it's printing: express router dispatching get favicon query express in it, and app received the get request. Okay, here you can see we have the handling the app get request. Okay, if I just enter it there, and now you can see the request. Here you can see dispatching get request. Okay, and receive request is get one, that plus 21 seconds, and get request you get 0 plus milliseconds. Okay, so this is a full-fledged they were doing whatever the router. I will go from the browser. So let's have a new request, that is get is there json list whatever you are just doing, so it will automatically log there. And here we go with the terminal, and let's go this and let's hit enter, and here you can see receive the get request json list, and app handling get request will be in plus 1 milliseconds. Okay, so this is how you can debug your Node.js application with the help of the debug. Let's have a code dive into the code one, which I won't tell one. So here we can see that we have to go with express debug and middleware to log all the incoming requests. So debug receive requests URL, and define the route for the route path. These are the paths, and last one, that is this one. Okay, same thing they have mentioned in their documentation also. If I go and just check the documentation, so here you can see I debug HTTP, create server. Okay, and they have create the worker or something for logging, and here you can see that the get request same page in this one. Okay, so this is how you can use it, the debug module, into your Node.js application to debug your application of the node. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.